Hi viewers, I'm Karthik, Tamila Karthik. Today we are in day 63. Really happy to meet you all in this 365 days of Business Viha series. So today the topic which we are going to talk is about hashtag generator. Before that, in all the videos, I was giving marketing tips, strategy, business views, a lot. Some of these kind of videos which you can really apply very suddenly. One kind of video is this. So today we are going to learn the importance about hashtags and how can we generate if you don't know to type it by your own. So the importance of hashtag is it will give you a wonderful reach organically. Organically, this word it is a promotional concept. Like without paying something to the media, your post will reach to unknown people. That we call it as organic. So if you use hashtags, your post will reach the people organically. So in Instagram particularly, we can give maximum of only 30 hashtags as of current situation. So I recommend you to try minimum 20, but best practice is to use 30 hashtags in every post what you post in the social media. So for this we have some tools. Today we are going to learn some tools where you can create or generate hashtags. So friends, here this is our channel. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly do the subscribe one. And here, what is the importance of this particular tool is what you need to do to get this particular website. You can just search in Google as in grammar. So in the first place, you will get the website. So you just can directly get into the website. You even if you don't get sign in or you don't create an account, you can directly use it. Just click on tools and there we have generator under hashtags. Just click on that. So you can generate hashtag depend upon three process. First one is by keyword and then photo and then by URL. So keyword in the sense you can post an concept like what you are going to promote. Just you can type that. And photo by uploading a photo which you can get in online by uploading that particular photo. Based on that particular photos you can get lot of similar hashtags. And if you have a website or if you have a post in Instagram or Facebook, by posting that particular URL you can get that particular hashtag. That is important. So here I'll tell you how to get an hashtags by typing a keyword. For example, one of our client is focusing on yoga. So I have just type yoga as a keyword. It will take minimum 30 seconds to get. So here we have 51 frequent hashtags and 150 average hashtags and 150 rare hashtags. You can take major from frequent, lesser from average and very lesser from rare. But try to get 30 hashtags. So if you want to use this yoga, just tick on this checkbox. The number means this particular yoga keyword or hashtag 95 million people have used it. And I'm going for yoga every day, and I'm going for yoga live, yoga challenge, yoga everywhere, yoga teacher, yoga journey, or day, like that. Whatever it suits you, whatever is relevant to for your particular process, just select all those things. And also from here, yoga motivation, yoga mad, yoga for everyone, yoga fitness, yoga for all. So once it comes for 30, you can go for copy and you can paste it in your description. But why you are posting some content, and after the content if you want to post this hashtags, just go for add space. So you'll get some 3 4 spaces here. The reason to add a space is if you have a content and continuously if you have a hashtags, it may look add. So just click on add space and go for copy, and once it is copied you can post in your description. Even you can upload a photos by clicking on the browse button and you can generate some hashtags. Or if you have a website or if you have a product link URL, by giving the URL here you can generate hashtags. This is the one of the tool. which we were using. So I recommend you to go for minimum 20, maximum 30 in Instagram. In Facebook, you can go for as much as you can. So just try to explore these tool, and in as a consultant, whenever I give some idea, whenever I give some information, some of the concept I used to say, just try. If you want, you can implement in your business. But these kind of technical information, you have to implement it. Simply don't try it, you have to implement it. So this implementation will really help you, and one day you will understand, you will feel the importance of this particular hashtags, that too this particular hashtag generated tool. So uh, I request you to teach this concept to at least two people, so that you will get an idea, you will get an enhanced knowledge when you teach to a people. So once you teach, they will get a knowledge, and you also will get more confident on you to implement this particular process. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like this is a huge search of business because around us. Thank you all.